All right, Friday evening weather for Weather Geeks time here on the 19th day of April 2019. Hope you had a good Friday and hope you are ready for the Easter holiday weekend. We are talking big changes in our forecast in our current conditions compared to 24 hours ago. You know, yesterday felt like early summer. Today, the cooler air has bled in. It's over 30 degrees colder than the 7 o'clock hour on Thursday. I liked Thursday a lot better, that is for sure. And you know, another way to look at this is kind of looking at a meteogram, we call it, in the weather enterprise, showing the hourly temperatures over the last 36 hours. We had readings well up into the 70s yesterday, and we peaked late this morning in the mid 60s before the cooler air started bleeding in from the north and west, and temperatures have been tumbling in much of the region this afternoon. And yeah, it's definitely chilly and damp out there this evening. Let's take a look at our local radar. As of about 7:10 this evening, some light rain falling in parts of our area. What you see is what you get for the next few hours at least. Now, as we head through the night tonight, I expect some of this drier air down closer to Charleston to try to work in. That'll take a good chunk of the night, though, before that happens. In the meantime, it's been another day of severe weather in parts of the southeast. This brought severe weather a couple of days ago to the Plain States, yesterday to the Deep South and the Gulf Coast region. Today it's been Florida up through Georgia and the Carolinas that have been dealing with some heavy, gusty storms. And this is the responsibility of a low-pressure system, which is kind of cutting off from the main jet stream, and you can kind of see that swirl on the water vapor imagery this evening. And this will have implications for our weekend forecast as well. As this low-pressure system cuts off some, the area of low pressure down at the surface, down near the ground, will kind of meander through the Ohio Valley and actually will end up in kind of a favorable spot for us. Tomorrow will be kind of, you know, I talked about this a little bit yesterday, we'll be kind of in the donut hole for a lot of the day on Saturday, where I don't think it's going to rain a whole lot. So yeah, big severe weather day once again today from the Tidewater, Virginia, down through the Carolinas, Georgia, Florida. Lots of reports of flash flooding, some hail, lots of funnel clouds, a couple of confirmed tornadoes as well. Unfortunately, a couple of casualties in parts of the Deep South with these storms today as well. Back here at home, again, our dry slot tries to work in overnight, where I don't think it does much overnight, maybe a passing shower or two, and maybe one more batch of showers just around daybreak on Saturday morning. And as we go into the midday, into the afternoon, again, kind of a dry slot trying to work in from the south here. And while there could be a shower at just about any point on Saturday, I think there's going to be more dry hours than wet hours overall. Showers may kind of become a little more numerous as we head towards Saturday evening. So, you know, if you want to get outdoors on Saturday, I would not let the weather stand in your way. Just bring along the umbrella. If you're going for a walk or a jog or doing anything outdoors, you know, there could be a passing shower at about any point, but it's not going to be a lot of rain. And again, I think the dry hours will kind of outnumber the wet hours as we kick off the weekend on Saturday. Our forecast for Sunday, you know, I don't think this is going to be a real sunny Easter, that is for sure. Especially in the morning, I think it's going to be pretty cloudy. Clouds might stick around into the afternoon as well. And, you know, what's left of our upper low might produce some spotty showers for Easter afternoon across a lot of Pennsylvania. But yeah, around here, I can't rule out a passing shower. I think the best chance may be actually in the morning. Most of the day should be okay, just kind of cloudy and uneventful. A little on the cool side by a couple of degrees. I've taken down our forecast for Sunday down into the upper 50s. Monday looks like a pretty nice day. I've removed the chance for rain on Monday, and we should have some sunshine and high temperatures not far from 70. So if you're heading off to services early Sunday morning, it's going to be a little cool, a little chilly, maybe a passing shower, temperatures mid-40s, mid-50s by early afternoon, and again, upper 50s should about do it for the afternoon. We've had warmer Easters, but we've certainly had colder and snowier Easters as well. You know, as we look ahead to next week, I don't see many major storm systems impacting our weather next week. Passing shower is going to be a possibility Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't think there's a washout to be found anywhere in there, and temperatures will be a handful of degrees warmer than average for a lot of next week, and I think next weekend could be pretty warm for that final weekend of April. That'll do it for a brief edition of Weather for Weather Geeks tonight. Hope you have a good rest of your Friday, a good weekend. Happy Easter, and I'll see you back here on Monday.